In this lesson, I am going to explain nouns. What is noun? What is the systems of noun? What is the types of noun? So, before discussing about noun, I am going to tell you what is noun first. What you see in our circumstances all are noun. We see in our circumstances now fan, pencil, chair, whiteboard, mobile, desktop, all are the nouns. So the definition of noun is a noun is a name of a person, place, animal, things. In my lecture 1 class, I have also given one example that Aniket and his dog are playing with football in the garden. Once again I am telling you the sentence, Aniket and his dog are playing with football in the garden. Here Aniket is the name of a person, place garden, animal dog, thing football. So this is a sentence, Aniket and his dog are playing with football in the garden. In the sentence all these things are here according to the definition of a noun. So noun is the name of a person, Aniket, place garden, then animal dog, then thing football. So after this definition of a noun, we have to know systems of noun. So in order to know about noun, you have to watch my 2 videos, noun lecture 1 and lecture 2 classes. In these classes you know about noun, types of noun, system of nouns, what is noun, some examples, how to form noun, in which word you can easily recognize the noun. So in order to understand all these things about nouns and parts of speech, and another class I have already done in my videos, that is the videos of verb pattern. I have done about verb pattern 5 classes. You have to watch all my video of verb patterns 5 classes. So many competitive examinations 8, 9, 10, plus 2, what you say 11, 12, in all the courses verb patterns are important, verbs is important, noun is important. So all these things I have done about verb pattern 5 classes. It will help you for your competitive examination. Every competitive examination there is a verb pattern or parts of speech course. In the parts of speech I will do some more classes about the part of speech, pronoun, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So in order to know parts of speech, about noun, about verb, look and watch my all the videos about the verb patterns and nouns. So in this lesson I am going to teach you systems of noun, types of noun. So system of noun. First, in system of nouns, system SYSTEMS, systems of noun. This is the system of nouns. If you divide the system of nouns, first is the system of number. System SYSTEM, system of number, NUMBER. First is the system of number, then system of person. You know easily system of person, first person, second person, third person. Class 3 student, class 4 students, they also know the system of person, first person, second person, third person. And last one is the system of gender. So 3 things. I'll discuss with you system of number, system of person and system of gender. In system of number, that is singular and plural. System number, that is singular, singular, singular and plural. You know, boy, boys, book, books. So this is the singular and plural. And system of person, you know very well system of person. System of person is the first person, second person, third person. First person, second person, third person. You know all these things about the first person, second person and third person. Then system of gender. System of gender is the system of gender. This is the masculine, masculine, masculine. Then feminine, femi, feminine, nine. Then common gender. Then another is the, you can say that, neutral gender, neute, neutral gender. So masculine, feminine, common and neutral gender. You know masculine king, feminine queen, him, her. This is the masculine and feminine. Neutral gender and common gender. Common gender, you know, student, teacher, baby. These are the common genders. And neutral gender, tree, chair, science. They are the neutral genders. So the system of number, from logical point of view, what I am telling you, that from logical point of view, we make a distinction between one and more than one. What I am going to tell you once again, one and more than one. One and more than one. So boy, boys. So boy, a boy, boys, two boys, three boys. This is the one and more than one. So one is the singular and more than one is the plural. So in grammar, what I am going to say, that the system of number in English, the grammatical category singular and plural. So it may not always reflect this distinction. Suppose I am giving some examples. It may not reflect some of the examples. The word sheep, 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 for example, sheep, sheep. You know it very well. Sheep. Sheep, for example, does not take an s or es ending. We cannot add s and es in the ending. This is the noun. The singular also shep and plural also shep, sheep. So this is the example that singular and plural both are the same. shep, shep, same. So does not take an s or es in ending, and yet it is a plural in grammar. Shep, sheep is the plural in grammar. So another thing is the news, 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 news. News is the ending is the s. So news, on the other hand, does end in s, and yet it is singular in grammar. So we can say a couple of kids, but not a couple of childs. You can't say that a couple of childs. You can't say. You can say a couple of kids. So teaching, the teaching of a number is very difficult on the part of a teacher to teach. The present some problems, several problems to understand the singular plural. The system of number, it is important to clarify about the nouns. So it is difficult on the part of a teacher to clarify the format, forms, rules, to how to clarify a noun. It is difficult on the part of a also teacher. So it's very important to classify nouns into two main types. So we now classify noun into main two types. Nouns, one is the common noun, another is the proper noun. So nouns, nouns, nouns. It is classified into two categories. One is the common, common, common noun. Another is the proper, proper noun. Proper noun, for example, that Achilles, Aniket, Puja, Sanskruti, Sujit, Bolangir, Borgad. So these are the proper noun. So in proper noun, what we say that you can write the name of the country also, India, Pakistan. So in proper noun, so it is the special, the private name given. So all proper nouns are written with a capital letter. All proper nouns are written with a capital letter. Achilles, Aniket, Puja, Sanskruti, Sujit, Bolangir, Borgad, India, Pakistan. So all proper nouns are written with a capital letter at the beginning because they are unique. All other nouns are common nouns. So common nouns again subdivided into two categories: countable and uncountable noun. So common noun again subdivided into two categories. Common nouns may further be subdivided into two categories, that is countable and uncountable noun. So uncountable noun you know easily that uncountable means you cannot be counted. Countable noun means you can be counted. If you counted, countable noun. You cannot be counted, uncountable noun. So water is the uncountable noun. Gold, uncountable noun. Furniture, uncountable noun. So in uncountable noun you cannot add s or es for you cannot make it the plural form. In uncountable noun there is no plural form in uncountable noun. In countable noun again you subdivided into two parts: singular, plural. Book, books. Boy, boys. So this is the example of countable and uncountable noun. And countable and uncountable noun, this is the very important course of class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, plus 2 first or second year also. In competitive examination, this course countable and uncountable noun course from questions come from this course also, countable and uncountable noun. So countable noun means which can be counted, uncountable noun means which cannot be counted. So boy, book, chair, sugar, water, these are the common nouns. So common nouns again further I am telling you subdivided into countable and uncountable noun. There are some words, suppose when a noun ending with f, is changed into v, then es or s. I am giving some example. Thief, 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 thief. So ending is the f. Instead of f, if you make it the plural form, instead of f you use v, means thiefes, then yes. So when a noun ends with f or fe, so f change to v and es or s in added to it. So these are the that are the format of the system. So how to make singular to plural form. So there are also many rules are there like this. And suppose in a noun, when a noun ends in y, suppose when a noun ends in y, I am giving now examples of y, ending with y. So ending with y, suppose lady, L-A-D-Y, no, lady, L-A-D-Y, lady. How to make it plural? L-A-D-I-E-S, L-A-D-I-E-S. So end here y. When a noun ends with y, if this y is preceded by a consonant, it is changed into I and es. If it is a consonant, then you have to add or change into I and es. Another example, baby, B-A-B-Y, like this, baby, B-A-B-I-E-S. Clear now? Lady, ladies, baby, baby. Hobby also like this, H-O-B-B-Y, hobby, H-O-B-B-I-E-S, hobbies. And cherry, cherry, C-H-E-R-R-I-S. So if a noun ends in O, like this O, like potatoes, potatoes, tomatoes, potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potatoes, hala, right? So potatoes, then you add only yes. If it is ending with O, you have to plus yes only. Potato, potatoes, hero, heroes, H-E-R-O, H-E-R-O, then you have to add yes only, heroes, right? Then tomato also, tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato, tomatoes. So if a noun ends with O, you have to add only es. And suppose en, take en form in plural. This is the most important. En form, en form in plural. Ox, 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 plural is the oxen, oxen, ox, ox, oxen, oxen. Child also, children, C-H-I-L-D, children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. You cannot make childs, you cannot make. So I have given some more examples also previously. We can say a couple of kids, but not a couple of childs. You can't say a couple of childs. So there are some many nouns form, they are plural by a change in the vowels. In the vowels means, suppose W-O-M-A-N, W-O-M-A-N, plural is the W-O-M-E-N, change E. Here vowel A, you have to change E. Like this, T-O-T-H, tooth, plural is the teeth, T-E-E-T-H. Here you have to change double O vowel, you have to change again double vowel, double E. Foot, like this, F-O-O-T, foot, F-O-O-T, F-O-O-T, foot. The plural is the feet, F-E-E-T, double E-T. Like goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. The plural is the geese. The plural is the geese, G-E-E-S-E. Instead of double O, you have to use double E. Another, some nouns have the same form in both singular and plural, same form. I have given already one example, S-H-E-P, sheep, singular, plural also S-H-E-P. Then deer, D-E-E-R, plural also deer, singular also deer. Then swine, S-W-I-N-E, swine, singular is also swine, plural is also swine. So some nouns are plural in form but are used in singular form. Some nouns are plural and used in singular verb. I have already given one example of news. The news is disturbing. News is the singular, looks like plural but it is singular. The news is disturbing. This spices is rare. These spices, S-P-I-E-C-E-S, S-P-E spices, S-P-E-C-I-E-S, S-P-E, one second I'm writing, S-P-E-C-I-E-S. These spices is rare, R-A-R-E, this spices is rare, looks like plural but it is singular. So there are some nouns also, I am giving some more examples. There are some nouns have no plural form. They are all uncountable noun, you cannot be counted. Some nouns, they have no plural form. I have already told you. Water, you can't say that waters. Hair, you cannot say hairs. So there are some all are uncountable nouns, are used only with a singular verb. Suppose information, furniture, wheat, scent, bravery, luggage, meat, sugar, flesh, milk, air, smoke, hydrogen, wool, all are the uncountable nouns. You cannot add the plural form. So in order to know about the parts of speech, noun, about verb pattern, about verb, you watch all my videos of noun and verb pattern. There are 5 classes, about noun 2 classes. Watch all my video, it will help you to you people, for the students and those people are going to appear competitive examination. Thank you.